NBC7 News at 4 starts now.
A man refused to comply with an officer's demands and then used his cell phone to record what happened next.
This afternoon, 2 years after this struggle with a plainclothes officer, a jury acquits Robert Branch, a victory for community activists who maintain it was the officer who crossed the line.
NBC7's Stephen Naluk spoke with Branch, and basically he believes he'd be in jail right now if it wasn't for this video. Stephen.
Catherine and Mark, Branch faced felony charges, including resisting arrest by force. A guilty verdict would have put him in handcuffs and a jumpsuit. Instead, this morning, he walked out of court a free man, urging other people to record their encounters with police.
And I can still feel my heart pounding.
Robert Branch III feeling enormous relief moments after hearing the verdict.
We, the jury, in the above entitled cause, find the defendant, Robert Branch, not guilty of the crime.
Acquitted on all charges in a case as much about the officer as it was Branch. In his testimony, Sheriff's Detective Paul Ward said Branch drove erratically on Interstate 8, speeding past him on the shoulder. Ward followed him off the highway, showed his badge demanding license and registration, but Branch didn't listen.
You see this officer right now? Right now he does not have his lights on. You cannot touch me.
Prosecutors say the deputy had safety concerns surrounding Branch's tactical vest and wanted to search him for a weapon. Branch's attorneys arguing the deputy should have called police before taking things into his own hands with a restraint hold they believe crossed the legal line.
Just the tape speaks for itself. The tape speaks for itself. So, on what he did that day. Now, he's retired. I wish they fired him, but
whether you're on duty or off duty, plainclothes or uniform, law enforcement officers still have full police powers.
Prosecutor Michael Runyon said he respects but disagrees with the jury's decision, believing Branch should have listened to the officer's initial demands. Branch, who maintains he did nothing wrong, thanked community activists who joined his case.
These verdicts need to be made loud and clear so that when other people are put in a position to make a bold and brave decision that goes against the status quo, that they feel that the community will support them in that.
In the future, just keep doing the same thing, videotaping. If I encounter with a police officer, maybe that officer could be a good cop. You never know. Just videotape everything.
Detective Paul Ward did not attend today's court hearing. When asked about his personal feelings towards the detective, Branch told me, "I think he's a good guy who just took things too far that day." Catherine?
Interesting. Okay, Stephen, thanks. And this story actually really isn't totally over because Branch has already filed an excessive force lawsuit against the county, and that case will now have the chance to move forward.